Chinsa ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigirie amabati ande onsialia utagiti showroom yeito nigo ere engale iyuerengia na boigo ekogokie riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team ya Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebereria kende gensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asbigo babwate boomerang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia aye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na boigo web design babwate yigani kabwate chikala bunabone lia charcoal gray brick red tile red maroon sky blue na boigo na green obutambe bwe mabwate yiga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chingagicho gwakeranya mabwate yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase ou MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenyiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo muchuyigo busongo iyo erangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgutara se namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getembe Television, Ekeonga, Kiamamogusi.
Maragavo mya mwanche murigerero Getembe TV ritukora Jumatano tariki 5 mutinyo kabere mwaka nekiri bubere 2025 na gosogeire kurandonsi ase ogendete gotobwate korwa Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi nchenka treni Nyaboga matundra nero rumagechi kamera wisoni makori nero ogendete kura sense meri imanyiriro nabo igo DJ ata nero ogendete konekya chibichana malengo kerachira senchira yobo ekranu karibu sana ase Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi nchira yobo benge ngomanyinga na ari agendete konekiwa imena isko ya gusi. Mwancho muri Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi togo chaka korwa sensemo ya bosongo abo asengusana n'entindi imambe ya rero yenekigwa ase abanyakiombe ba daraja mbiri shops chinga kibakorera obo ene bwabo chinga kichicho nigo bemurunganiria oborai bwabarayi ase ekiombe ekyo nakuba bori babeketeneni ochirekodi chiabo erio obwaso okupororekane igoro y'oborai bwabo ase ekiombe ekyo. Mwancho muri atogosika bose nigo bono omwakilishi bw'abasubati croise county area Nyamira omosike Jerusha Momanyi esokire nakogikeria egekoro ky'abasacha gotacheranse abana abanyaroka gokwana asense amo y'abanyamatuta nigo musubati Jerusha agikire mono egekoro ky'omusacha yomo oyotachera inso omwana oye nakomwoborito asatebire nigarachie kobwatia boronge kekoreka nakwene kyabuna omukagero oyo ngobe kware byara nabo iga obone bomusubati oyo bwarorekanire
Amindo. Ikamna nacha abanyamatuta. Onye inu mumanyeti. Muna abana bahinu bacyandigete. Especially umwana uranyorore ntakana. Abana bandi bari school. Abana kinyaro. Muna bacyandigete. Nyatoranyoro yo utarayikerwa sabanya sae. Na endo gikerie. Sorry. Okikerie gentekyo ngeta ikera abana bacyandigete nabangi sae. Muna bana wasanye kwenye matuta ya ino yo. Ebisa biro nebyo gukumi. Yani nice niko believe. Ngomo sasa naro kwigoro mwana. Na hando maye kokoria liyo mwana kuna kuna ukinora mukaya rozi. Mwana gaki oyino mosata gosene nyanga. Yani mwana oyibore ntabi nyanga gokorero yoye igo aranyoro yore. Igonda itako kwana iga. Asa ngento na itanare talikuwa manganaya. Ntaita kugendera kwenda gukora utafiti. Kwa ukweli toko nyora na mekene. Ikiagara bali mwatitegerera chire this morning. Imwaigwa omwane nyaro kokorera. Ngara bwa to burito bwisi. Ono gaki tusogwanzira mangana iyo ntutware society kwe mutagwanza monkonya kogikerie binde bigere na binkorikia nkwanza muri togikerie amangana ayumaete ntenda best violence yani baba umwana kubwatwe singintera atari nkuru omontako oboene bwaye omekishwa ngata bakomote inya mwategerera mangana alia kwani asere
Mwancho murigerera togosika bosio nigo tokogenda ase etaro y'omurai bwensi ase ensemeri ya North Eastern ase achakire etaro sasa achagete etaro yaye y'amagendero ase orogongoro rwa North Eastern ane mono kwenekea buna amagendero nara ase enseme yo nabo igo oborendi nkwenekea obore ase orogongoro rwa North Eastern ritukuria kabere rero nigo murai bwensi atarira e-county gosa atara ase kuike county ya Wajir abu ase agendera korotota emerobero abegete ase county yo ane mono okwaga which nyomba kweri cheri igorirense.
And we are happy that once completed,
Na tugosika busionigo abananchi kurwase chi county au imense ite ya Kenya babulie kuya chi kadi cha bose bibande byabo kurwase chi abisi chiria cha huduma na boigo chiri cha migration ere kwana kyabuna mbare ne bibande byabo ase chinyomba cyabo yani gago cha mage gaje bibande binge korakana ase chi abisi eche na kuborigwa babyoyi. Mwancho murigerea ni gobono omukamanda bw'abasigari ase county ya Nairobi omoske Adamson Bungei aika bosibwe kigambiro kya Milimani Law Courts erikwiraneria amaborio igorio kubwato kwa basae anene mono chinga kiosa mwaka orio eta kira basae bare korobekana kwamereria ogwetigwa kwe finance bill chinga kichicho ni go Bungei boigo aboligo koreta obwene igorio mosae Alex Masai oyo beteka goitwa chinga kichi abasae bare korobekana asomo chio Nairobi.
I read, Your Honor, just to mention this one is that I would wish to state that I've been asked to issue an operation order, and in this, I would wish to state that I was not asked to bring, but in this statement, Your Honor, I would want to object.
Please wait and finish reading this. Yes,
I was not asked to bring it alone in the summon, and in Article 2.4 of Article 5 of the Constitution of Kenya, there are limitations to police officers read by Section 42 and 48 of the NPS Act that limit police officers from giving out classified information.
So there is in fact an operation order?
No, Your Honor. I want to clarify this one, Your Honor, because this was typed, and I think the insertion of the word asked did not come from my attention. I'm clear in my mind that there was no operation order.
Can you refer to your statement at the end? There is in fact a signature. Is that your
Yes,
signature?
it's my signature, but English is made of who writes. I want to be specific on this, but my words are very clear. I did not.
Mwancho murigerea tugosika busioni gobono omwaziri omonene bwensi ya Israel omoske Benjamin aumerana n'umurai bwensi ya America omoske Donald Trump ase nyomba y'oburai bwensi ya USA ya White House chinga kichicho nigo bakwanira igoro y'ekisegi kiri kiyendete kwenekwa ase ensemo ya Gaza asibono omurai bwensi ya America omoske Donald Trump ateba nigo arache kokonya osiniga arache kwenekya ngokonya ari ensemeri osenseri ya Palestine.
The only reason the Palestinians want to go back to Gaza is they have no alternative. It's right now a demolition site. This is just a demolition site. The U.S. will take over the Gaza Strip, and we will do a job with it too. We'll own it and be responsible for dismantling all of the dangerous unexploded bombs and other weapons on the site, level the site and get rid of the destroyed buildings, level it out, create an economic development that will supply unlimited numbers of jobs and housing for the people of the area. I do see a long-term ownership position, and I see it bringing great stability to that part of the Middle East and maybe the entire Middle East.
Mwancho murigereria toko chikokora toko chikokoligereria igore ya gosori ya golf eyo abantama abange banyimaite bune egosori abanta bari togose abantu bari babwate nibo korende nigo bono omojumbe mukoro bwe bunge ya South Mogrango Moske David Kombo atuguteirare chingwane cyo gose birangerere biyo kurwasa abanta abange na goteba eyine egosori era chiesu nonde bwensi asabono asegetira abantu wanja egosori eyo nakoyebeka busyo.
So it's a protected green, protected by bankers, strategically for purpose. Yeah. It is there. You must have a club. You play the ball as it lies. You don't move it. You don't wait to see whether someone is seeing, then you move it. No, you play as the ball lies. There's no hand of God.
And I've got Maradona.
So you must score straightforward. You hit the ball. If it goes the bundu, you hit it from there. Or you take a penalty. Team you saw here plays every day. We start between 10 and 11. These days it's 10:30. At 11, there's another one of us who is not here, who is a lawyer. He goes to court, so he joins us at 11. Carry them to accommodate golf in their life while they are young. Not wait until they are old then to come and learn the game. Don't wait until, right now, it's, for young people, they earn a lot at any age, apart from a toddler. Is the only game you can play from youth. Yeah. You don't retire from golf. You can now see we're going down.
Mwancho muregerea gwikiraga bunongo chigwikiria mwere we Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yo bwenge korenda yo muna yanda mange no chiko yanyora Chinsa ibere na Chinsa inye chobotko bwarera no yo minto Clinton ondikinchenga tere Nyaboga matundra nero enge magechi kamera Wilson Makori kura sense merie manyeriro na boyko DJ atsanere oberiga kwene kechibicha na moreogi gwikira shire aya senchira yobo ikirano korene ngotenga twensiamo twakone burigere bobya asomorobire ogochiko gochirembya asegeka egekekerebusyo
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biliya bikomanya seyeka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chechi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori iriya bantabati buigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani bwochoganire erangiyiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eribwe nyorere abamanyi naboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chebiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero otumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene eduka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera se namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Christamarian Mission Hospital ni kubarariya free surgical camp tariki sanu wege tariki 14 cy'umutinyi gukabere omukwega asenya gitari yo ya Christamarian bariya babwate omuchanda buna oenius soft tissue swelling buna bono lipomas goiter breast cancer screening prostate cancer screening chronic leg ulcers anal rectal cases buna bono hemorrhoids anal fissures na fistula inano inchu nechishiringi chimibere choka buna registration fee baliya mubwatesha ngwanchirwere litkelyo abantumbali kigwe asumurubiryo sha batari gwakaniko kindi gyonsi onye kurumugaka ubate myaka 45 gukiguru inchorengege kogerana bira toke prostate cancer yatulire asumubiro samange bakresimi asa 0720 266 999
Nilan Hub neye moya chiduka echo chikone ebintu bigutumika service nabo gase nyumba yao yani furnitures asili golidi amabuko ebyo bikomenya segeka ase chinsamo cha living room mbabwate chi throw pillows echo chire chichingenjo au nabo ne chikala au mbabwate recliner sofa sets echo raunchura nebuno kuganya kwawo kole nkone bale fabric sofa sets echo chire chechi 7 seater nabo ne chechi 6 seater echo chire chechi rangi nechi design au nkone bale marble and glass top adjustable TV stands echo ratumeke aso kubeke TV ya obu ya ase chinsamo cha coffee tables nkone